Okay, भैया. The next question is, intuitive slash psychic people are able to predict future events. If future events of a person's life can be predicted, then doesn't it mean it's all predestined slash fixed? Then where is free will?
Yeah, Gurudev says, no, your height is a destiny, but your weight is a free will. So there are certain things which are fixed, and yet there are certain things which happen because of your free will. Hmm. Another time he gave another example. He says, it's going to rain is your destiny. But what you do in your rain, in the rain is your free will, no? Whether you choose to remain indoors, whether you wish to take an umbrella and go out, you wish to go in your car, you want to get drenched in the rain. It's all multiple choices you have at every moment. Okay, certain things are fixed, and yet certain things within whatever is fixed, you have a lot of freedom also.
Right, भैया. भैया, there's a question, and this question is, are you enlightened?
I don't know.
All right, भैया. I'll leave it at that. Next question is, how to forgive and get over people who have hurt and humiliated you in the past? I'm unable to forgive them and let go of these events. I'm
See
miserable because
people,
of it.
hmm, see
I'm
people when they
miserable.
humiliate you. It's yeah. Continue, complete the question.
I'm miserable because of it, yet not able to let go.
Okay. See people who are hurting you and they're humiliating you. It's like them throwing garbage at you. When somebody throws garbage at you and you see it flying in your direction, the most logical thing is to duck. Let the garbage fly past. It's none of your concern. And if by chance some garbage touches you, hmm, then what is the next logical step to do? Wash your hands off. But many times in life, what happens? Those people have not directed the garbage at you. They have directed in your direction somewhere to somebody else, something else, and like a football goalkeeper, you dive and catch that garbage because you think it is very precious. And now, since some garbage is there in your hand or whichever part of the body, you should wash it off. But people hold on to that garbage for so many years, sometimes 5 years, sometimes 10 years, sometimes 20 years. And they say, 20 years ago, that person hurt me. The person who had to throw garbage, the person who had to hurt you, he hurt you and he moved on in his life. He has washed his hands from the garbage he threw. Why are you holding on to the garbage yourself? And that garbage is rotting. Mm. It is giving foul smells. It is creating disturbances in your mind. Wake up and see. Don't hold on to all this garbage. If garbage comes, all this hatred, humiliation, all that is garbage for the mind. Just throw them out. Just wash them off and move on in life. Okay, let people do what they want to. You live life royally. Hmm. You walk as if you are untouched. And once in a while, if events and words and situations hurt you, pull yourself out very quickly as soon as possible. Okay.
All right, भैया. The next question is, भैया, once we have tasted the joy of being with the self, how to be really, how to be really being, how to be really being in that state while we are out there dealing with people. We can't avoid our responsibilities, but how to really maintain that state? I know it's possible, but how?
See, when it becomes possible, till that time, whatever is happening, be with it. No? How much ever you are able to maintain, maintain. See, you don't develop strength all overnight. No. Mm. First, you will be suppose you are carrying a 2 kilo weight. First, you'll be able to carry it for 10 minutes. Then you'll be able to carry for 1 hour, maybe 5 hours after that. And after some time, when your muscles become strong enough, you'll be able to carry that weight all the time. It's the same thing, at least whatever you're able to experience, enjoy them. Sometimes you miss out, don't worry. Hmm. And that is why we need to do advanced meditation program again and again, every 3 months, 6 months. If you're not able to maintain that state, at least get back to that state again and again. No, an advanced meditation program brings us into that state. Every 2 months, 3 months, do an advanced program. Take some time off. Do a silence, a period of silence, some meditation. 3 weeks ago, after a long time, I also participated in advanced meditation program. And for many years, I have been teaching this program. But after participating, I also feel so recharged and rejuvenated. Okay. So as a teacher, there is so much for me in an advanced meditation program. And for you all also, it will be the same thing. There's so much to learn, so much to experience, so much to go into your own depth.
Okay, Bhaiya. My next question is how to open up Manipur chakra. I know you don't force, but there are things that we can do to be pure and clean.
Yeah, just do your advanced meditation program. All that subtle cleaning and all that all happens. Okay. Do your Sudarshan Kriya also regularly, your meditation also regularly. All that will happen.
Okay, Bhaiya. The last question I have for this week is does a child feel burn or tapas when the mother is carrying him or her in and feels hungry?
We really don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Okay. Don't know. It's okay. But
Okay, Bhaiya. All right, Bhaiya, that's all we have this week. And
wonderful questions, Guru.
yeah,
Good.
Bhaiya, I mean, they came from all walks of life. Yeah, all kinds of people
Yeah.
sent in questions.
Good, good, good. It was wonderful having you all here for this program. Keep on supporting us like this. And until next week, bye bye from both of us. So we will meet next Sunday, same time on Instagram for another event of Keeping It Simple. Bye bye. Good night. Take good day.
Yeah.